This video is level 3 for XEI 506, and we're going to be solving word problems with inequalities in them. Now this is just like our last skill where we were solving word problems with equations, except now we're given inequalities instead. So the basic steps are the same. First, read through the problem. A shipping company charges a $5.75 flat fee in addition to $1.60 per pound. Hannah can spend no more than $25 on shipping, a present to her aunt. This situation can be modeled by the inequality 1.60p plus 5.75 is less than or equal to 25. Now you'll notice that these numbers came straight from the sentence before, so those numbers are all taken care of in the inequality, so all you need is the inequality and you should underline it or circle it or whatever. Then it tells you what each thing means. P is the weight of the package in pounds. Okay, so that's important, so underline that. Okay. Rounded to the nearest hundredth, that's important. We need to round. Okay, how heavy can the package be without exceeding Hannah's spending limit? Now all this is asking for us to do is to go ahead and solve this equation for P, and that'll tell us how much that that package can weigh without going over 25. So let's start with the equation. I apologize for my writing. Sometimes it works better than others. Tonight is one of those nights where it's not going to. Okay, so to solve for P, which is right over here, first we need to get rid of that 575. So we're going to subtract 575. Okay, so 25 minus 575 is going to give us 1925. So we're going to have 1.60p is less than or equal to 1925, $19.25. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and divide by 1.60. Okay, so P is less than or equal to 12.03. So the answer here, and I would write it except my handwriting's going to be terrible, you're going to want to write 12.03 pounds is the most that Hannah can afford, or something along those lines. And really, all of the questions in this level are going to be like this. You're going to get an equation, which you should mark somehow, and you're going to solve that equation, and that's going to give you your answer. Really, that's all it's asking. Just be careful if it asks you to round to the nearest pound, or if it's asking you, sometimes you have to figure out how to round depending on the problem, what makes sense. So that's basically it for level 3. That was short and sweet, and hopefully that helped.